Welcome back to the Furious Vibe, your ultimate stop for raw, unfiltered reviews and deep dives into the machines that move us, on-road, off-road, and everywhere in between. Today, we're turning our attention to a motorhome that's set to redefine luxury travel in 2026. Say hello to the Camion Classique Motorhome, a beast of refined engineering, smart design, and rugged capability, all wrapped in a bold, unmistakably European aesthetic. The 2026 Camion Classique doesn't just aim to compete, it's designed to dominate. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the vehicle demands respect. Its sharp-edged body, integrated lighting system, and aerodynamic contours tell you right away, this isn't your average RV. It's a rolling sanctuary made for those who refuse to compromise between luxury and exploration. The exterior features a full aluminum composite shell, military-grade suspension, and solar-integrated rooftop panels, making it both tough enough for the wild and sleek enough for the boulevard. Step inside and it feels like you've walked into a boutique apartment in Paris. Italian leather seating, polished walnut accents, and ambient LED lighting set the tone. The layout is smart, very smart. Every inch has been engineered for efficiency without sacrificing comfort. A modular living space transforms from lounge to dining area with a simple motion. The queen-sized Murphy bed folds seamlessly out of the wall, and even the kitchen feels upscale, with induction cooktops, a silent convection oven, and a wine chiller tucked beneath the marble-finished countertop. Technology-wise, the Camion Classique doesn't hold back. It's got a full AI-integrated travel system that handles route planning, diagnostics, and energy usage. The touchscreen command center links with your mobile device, while the 360-degree surveillance system gives peace of mind whether you're parked downtown or deep in the forest. For the driver, there's adaptive terrain control, a 12-inch digital cockpit, and biometric ignition. It's tech-forward without being overwhelming, like it's been built with intention, not just for show. Under the hood, the Classique is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter diesel hybrid engine pushing out 420 horsepower. It's got torque for days and a 4x4 drivetrain that doesn't flinch at mud, snow, or sand. Despite all that muscle, it still manages impressive fuel economy for its class thanks to regenerative braking and intelligent power distribution. With a 150-gallon freshwater tank, 100-gallon gray water, and advanced climate control systems, this motorhome is ready for long-haul travel in any season. Camion didn't just build a motorhome, they built a statement. One that says luxury isn't limited to 5-star hotels or private jets. The 2026 Camion Classique is for those who want the world, but on their own terms, at their own pace. Whether you're chasing sunsets across the Sahara or camping beneath the northern lights, this is the machine that gets you there in comfort, style, and confidence. If you're vibing with this kind of unapologetic design and next-level travel freedom, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. At the Furious Vibe, we bring you the latest and the boldest from the world of mobile living and mechanical powerhouses. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the Camion Classique across the continent or post up by the beach for a month? Let's talk.